The laziest dinner hack. Rice cooker miso garlic chicken rice. $150 of rice. Rinse the rice until the water runs clear. Drain the rinsed rice thoroughly. $10 of scallions. It's for topping. Chop the green onions. Grate 1 clove of garlic. $130 of chicken thigh. Cut into small, bite-sized pieces. One teaspoon of miso. 1 teaspoon of mirin. A dash of salt. Add grated garlic. Mix well until the flavors are combined. Two teaspoons of miso. 1 teaspoon of soy sauce. 1 tablespoon of sake. 1 tablespoon of mirin. Mix well. Add the rinsed and well-drained rice to the rice cooker pot. 200 ml of water. Add a pre-made sauce. Mix well. Add the chicken. Spread the chicken evenly. $60 of drained corn kernels. Spread the corn evenly. Set the cooking pot in the rice cooker. Cook white rice in your rice cooker using the regular mode. Mix well after cooking. Garnish with chopped green onion if desired. 今日の料理は味噌ニンニクの鶏飯でした。Enjoy! Also, I've released some new merch that ships internationally. Please check out the link on the screen.